Alright guys, today is also another day of making money online. I have always been telling you, unemployment rates keep increasing in our country here, Ghana right now. That is why I have offered myself to help you make money through online using just your mobile phone or laptop. Yes. So if you are willing to make money through this using your mobile phone, you can watch this video to the end to unlock your phone potential or your laptop to make money this year 2024. So if you are new to this channel, kindly like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel in order to get more updates to, to this channel whenever a video is being posted. Thank you. Alright guys, let's sign in. In this video, we will head over to our web browser we are using, whether Opera Mini or Chrome. As you see on my screen, I'm using the Chrome browser. So you tap on your Chrome browser. Then you search in this website, studypool.com. After it loads, then you click on the three dots here. Then you press sign up button as you see on the screen. You press the sign up button. Then you sign up as a new customer. Then you choose the email you use to register the account as you see on my screen. By me, I already have account, so I'll just log into my account. But as for you, you choose and register, and you follow the process to register. It is not that complicated. It is very easy. So I will log into my account for you to see. Okay. Yes, my account has been logged. So after our account is all set, then you click on the three dot right here. You click on the three dot right here. Then you press and sell docs as you see on the screen. Yes. The sell docs, you see, you say earn money by selling student documents, earn passive income up to 5,000 USD amount. We share your docs with 10 millions of our students. You get up to $10 every time a student view one. This website is about uploading our quiz, practice tests, exams prep materials, study guides that can be helpful to the students at this website. Also, all you have to do is you take a picture, or you take a picture of your quiz or exams or whatever, or class notes. Then you upload. As you see on my screen, I have uploaded 67 docs within 2 days. So I've uploaded 67 docs as is on my screen. Yes. And I have docs of decline 0 and docs of pending 0. And I have approved docs of 67 as you see on my screen. As you see on the screen, this website has come to help students to make learning easier for students. So as you upload your old past homework, projects, reports, presentation papers, and etc., then you get paid for uploading such quiz, such papers on this website. When you upload, you say upload a document to earn $10 per doc view. So if you upload as many as much you can, then as your document gets viewed by some students, then you get paid for $10 per view. Yeah, that's the website about. And again, the mode of withdrawal at this website is also okay. Let's see. So you click on the three dots right on the right corner of your phone or laptop or whatever you are using. Then you click on my balance as you see on my screen. Let's wait till it loads. Yes, so as you see on my screen right now, you can see the mode of withdrawal is say Payoneer, PayPal, Wise, Western Union, bank account, check, and M-Pesa. As you see, the mode of withdrawal are very easier and convenient. So you can withdraw your money as safe as you can. And you say quick notice here, you say minimum amount for withdrawal is $50. So if you let's say if you upload 10 docs and you get viewed by 5 students, it means then you are going to withdraw $50 because the website said one doc per view is $10. You get it? Yeah. So if you get viewed by 5 students, then it means you're going to get $50 per the 5 views. Yeah. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, kindly share, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, subscribe to Jay's channel. Thank you.